Today I'm going to do a video on what my friend asked me a question the other day. He said that his plaster wall, is soft. As you see, it's soft, and he want to know what can he do to get the wall instead of like sometimes, as you can see, they got these wood right here. Okay. Soft because it's not even really gripping onto the wood anymore. See, this is not even gripping, it's moving. And he wants some suggestion on what to do. Should we plaster the wall some more or what? I told him that even if you plaster the wall some more, once it's not even gripping it, there's a multi-step that you have to do. You actually have to break it in order to plaster it back to make it harder. My best suggestion is drywall it on top of it, just like this. Yeah. Say for example you got some outlet and not everything. Do your outlet and not every. I'm running all new electrical wire in this place. So, oops. All you do. Go run all over the electrical wire anyway. Okay. Like I said, all you need to do, put this on. Yeah. That's it. All you need to do is screw it on. See, that's it. See how easy it is? Now, your wall is completely solid. Okay? Instead of very, very flimsy. That's how you handle plastic wall, you know, that is very, very loose. And you just do that, and it's also do that on the ceiling. See it? The same way. For loose. See that? Also on the ceiling. That's for all the loose, you know, the loose plaster wall, plaster ceiling also, you know, for the plaster ceiling and plaster wall. And that's the quick and easy way. And then all you do is compound it, you know. That's it. and paint it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe. I hope I answered your question. All right, thank you. Two-way switch, and turn off on down here. Here's the room over here. I finished spraying it, yeah, spraying it throughout the whole house. I like it, every single one of my property, I like it flat white. Yeah, it's like nice and clean. And if they want to change the color, they can change it on their own. But if they move out, if I were to rent it, if they move out, they need to paint it flat white again. See? The chimney over there was falling apart. Yeah, had to lay some new bricks and that everything, and now completely covered, nice and smooth. All right, where the chimney's at. That's mainly it for this apartment. It's nearly done, you know. Turn up this light back here. And all I got is that and the kitchen. Right, it's the kitchen. So all the light, it's already been hooked up. You know. All right, thank you. Appreciate it.